Hey everyone, this is Dr. Green from Stagecoach Family Chiropractic. I'm here with Elise, who is about 34 weeks pregnant with a little girl. So we're going to be talking about chiropractic care through pregnancy. So there's obviously a lot that happens with mom through pregnancy. Extra weight in the front affects the spine and the alignment that way. But we also have hormones that are released that loosen ligaments and tendons, allowing for the baby to be delivered. But it also makes the spine and the pelvis very unstable. So we're going to be working with mostly down in the pelvis today, focusing on the alignment down there with something called Webster's technique. So we'll just kind of talk through that today. First thing we're going to do is just check the alignment down here of the pelvis. And that tells us what's going on with the round ligaments in the front and how the baby is being carried. A little bit out of alignment here. The correction is real gentle. It's with the drop table. It makes the noise. It's real gentle. She doesn't feel a whole lot going on with it. Alright, now we're going to use the adjusting instrument here, just up a little higher in our lower back. So most of this today is just based on feel. Alright, good. Can you flip over? Alright, and then for pregnant women, we have these pillows that have the cutout, so they're able to lay pretty much all through the pregnancy comfortably. Breathe in. Out. Nice. Alright. Just check the neck as well for any misalignments, because the whole purpose is just making sure the brain can communicate with the body.
Yeah, go for the light stuff. I like Chardonnay, but this is dark wine for
Right. So the other part with Webster's technique is working with the round ligament, and that's right through the front here. Making sure that's able to move correctly allows the uterus and the baby to be in the right position to deliver the baby. So making sure the pelvis and everything is lined up properly increases or helps labor and delivery outcomes, makes them easier, less demanding on mom. So we just work here a little bit just till it starts to feel loosened up a little bit. It's usually just one side, but we'll check both sides as well. That's bad on this one, right? Up. Alright, and the last part of the adjustment is just working on the curve in the neck. And then after every adjustment in our office, we tell our patients the power is on, so the brain's able to communicate with the body, so the power that made the body heals the body. So power's on. Okay. Thanks.